my shoes.
Your shoes?
No, I want my shoes.
I can't see it. Do you remember when you popped your balloon?
Yeah.
When? In the car. Where did you get the balloon from? The doctor, yeah, when we went to the dentist. Do you remember the color the balloon was? You do? Yes, it was pink. You like red? But they didn't have red. Mm-mm.
Why?
I don't know.
Why?
Okay, I think it's time for you to night-night. Take a nap. You're being silly. You can get red another day.
Enough.
What are you acting like that for?
I'm not your friend.
You're not my friend? Because I didn't give you a red balloon?
No.
No, that's not nice, Lucas. You shouldn't act like that.
You don't get it.
I don't get what?
That's why I'm mad.
Why are you mad?
Because you're not going. And I'm not your friend.
That's very, that makes mommy sad. That makes mommy sad that you're mad at me.
Then you're not. Okay.
Lucas, when did you get so feisty? Huh?
You're not getting wet food for me.
But that's no reason to get mad. You don't need to get mad about that. I didn't have the red balloon. That was the doctor's office. They didn't have the red balloon. Hey, Lucas? Why what? Okay, come here. Hey, you know what? You don't act like that. Come here. Lucas, hey, you know what? Just because a doctor doesn't have red balloons does not mean that you get mad about it.
But
You,
not.